still sound good though. Still sound good though. Sounds good. Still got a nice little noise though. Yeah, that's way better. That's way do sound good, man. Ain't up. That's 2 tips right there. Use the extra 2 tips.
So now, we quit. We're gonna stop.
He probably was just talking. This is crazy. You see? As y'all boys can see, man. Oh, they is putting it up right now, bro. Like, already it looks so good, bro. I gotta shout them boys out, bro. Y'all already know, man. Look, I'm about to show y'all they shop right now. This they shop. But this is where I'm at, bro. If y'all boys don't know, bro, this is where I'm at, man. Oh, let me get better lighting. There you go. There you go. Yeah, the lighting be tripping sometimes, but I'ma just keep getting some B-roll and stuff so my camera don't die. I'ma catch up with y'all boys a little later, gang. Peace. On a run. Dual tips. Each shot. It still sound good though. Still sound good though. Sounds good. Still got a nice little noise though. That's way better. That's way better. But I know this is not the intro to the video, but I know y'all boys want to see, man. Currently, my rear bumper is in painting right now. It's being painted black, but I never let y'all boys hear how the exhaust actually sounds. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna let y'all hear how the exhaust sounds. So I'm gonna sit the camera down. listen, bro. I can't lie to y'all boys, bro. I cannot lie to y'all boys, bro. This mud sounds so good, bro. Like, it sounds amazing, bro. Like, I love it. And I can't wait till I engine swap it as well, bro. It's gonna be insane, bro. Like, I'm telling you, bro. But y'all boys stay tuned, man. I know the brightness might be a little messed up in this video, bro, because I'm trying to mess around with the brightness a little bit, because a lot of people be saying my videos be dark. But if you new, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, bro. It's your boy Young Jay. I'm gonna catch up with y'all boys in the next video, gang. Peace.
Yeah, pineapple shortcake, 2200 a bag, come get it. Car more expensive, faster, hit it. Yo ho want a fashion nigga. Louis bag with a Drake inside, I'm calm, but I still get flashy with it.